Okay, so what we got, we're going to do some brazing. I'm sure it's got a fancy name. Basically, we're going to take aluminum, big pieces of aluminum, these pieces that are over here, all that, and we're going to braze it, like soldering, but with aluminum. That's what we're going to do. So, I'm going to show you, I got to learn how to do it first, so we're going to start our practice. Or continue our practicing, I should say. This is a common wood blade. Nothing fancy about it. Use it on 2x4s. Aluminum's pretty soft. The reason I'm using this is because this is what everybody said to use. And the trick is, I guess, not to use a cutting wheel like on a grinder, because the aluminum will heat up, melt, and then it clumps up on it, and there's a chance that it will basically cause the wheel to become unbalanced and then shatter, explode like a grenade. So, shrapnel, bad. Goes right through it. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. See, cuts through it like it's nothing. Got a 45. I'll turn this off and I'll turn it back on inside the bus. This is not a cutting wheel, this is just a grinding wheel. All I want to do is bevel the edges, so it creates like a little pocket for the bar, or this solder, whatever you want to call it, the brazing rod, to fill up and bind. Not focusing, sorry. Again, not a camera person, but you get the idea. I'm going to take the other part I'm going to do. Here, you can see I already did one, but I'm going to show you the process now. And I'll clean this one up. I'm not torquing it in here. It's just snug. It's just barely holding it in there. It's not supposed to be. It's aluminum. If you torque it, you're just going to bend the heck out of it. Grinder. Now we'll let it cool. I'm not actually cooling it for any specific amount of time. You go out there, sit down, have a soda, drink, water, whatever it is you want to do. Chill for 5 to 10 minutes, shoot a poop, talk to some people. Let it cool. I figure that's enough when I come back in if I can touch it with my little fingers, my digits. It's still a little warm, but that's probably good enough. So we're going to let it cool. Yep. And hopefully this works. Okay, so by now it should have cooled off. Yep, nice and cool. What we want to find out is how strong is it.
Can I beat it with a hammer?
She's a little too eager to beat things up. She has an aggressive side to her. Well, I mean, just don't get ridiculous, but bang on it. Bang it against that, things like that. Okay. A lovely assistant here. Hey, beautiful. Okay, so as you can see, if I could ever get this thing to focus, this camera sucks, by the way. This one is starting to split apart, which means I didn't get this one done right. The metal was not hot enough. But on the same note, if you look at that one, if we can get it in there. Get it in there? Is that wide angle?
Got it.
There we go. It's actually bent down. I hit it hard enough that, see how much it bent down? And the weld head. So what bent was the aluminum. So the stuff works. I've seen people say it doesn't work. It does work. The issue is this was the first one I did, and it started coming apart because I don't think I got the metal hot enough. So that's all on me. This one was a better one. So if you do it right, it works. Now we let it cool. Okay, we had a few epic fails.
Alright.
Hi, Pops.
Hey.
We had a few epic fails.
Finally, a 1.
We're using this. This is just basically straight propane kind of torch. Okay? It'll get up to 730 degrees, but that's the exact amount I need. So if it doesn't get it to 730 degrees, it doesn't work. The piece of metal we're using is 4 feet long, and it's aluminum. Aluminum is one of those metals that transfers heat really easy. That's why they use it in cooling coils, the fans, things like that, like in the back of, say, your light bars, things like that. And because it's 4 feet long, it was cooling. It wasn't reaching 730 degrees. Couldn't get it there.